Hello, my name is Oksana, and I would like to talk about your idea. Here at Solwit, our focus is on turning your idea into a successful product. Why Solwit? It's obvious. First of all, we offer you a kickoff even in 1 day, and the final MVP could be ready even in 4 weeks. 100% code we develop is in the European Union, and we guarantee you clear transfer of IP rights. We offer you free 1-hour consultation with product design team, and you can be a part of our Scrum team. Solwit delivers custom-made software in the transparent and verified process, always on time, accordingly to high-level global standards, and at the economically reasonable price. I kindly invite you to read the case studies we present at this webpage and see how we turned our clients' ideas into the profitable business. But first of all, I invite you to contact me and talk about your solutions, your needs, and your ideas. Can't wait to meet you.